All right, today now let's learn about audit logs. So audit logs is under the monitoring and health. We expand this, we get the audit logs. Let's click on it. So audit logs are basically a part of Microsoft Entra monitoring we have seen. So now we need to understand the different things available here, the filters and all. So first important thing is the date range. Let's say we want the more data, like we can do the last 7 days apply. So it will basically give us the last 7 days data. So we can anytime click here to sort this out. Since I have clicked once, so it's now sorted in the ascending order of the dates. Now next we have the category here. So we can select the different categories as well as per our requirement. Then we have services. I've selected all the services, the security services, especially the MFA, access reviews, everything is selected for me. Right? If you want to filter it out on the basis of specific service like privileged identity management, you got to select PIM here. Now we got the add filter here, right? So we can apply filters as well. So these things, the data, whatever you're seeing, we require if we want to do some kind of analysis later, maybe exporting to like Sentinel, integrating with Sentinel for security monitoring. So how do we do it? We got it download here. I'll click on download. Next, we got to choose the format. So it basically offers two formats, CSV and JSON. So there's a warning as well. We can download up to 250,000 records, so which is good enough, right? So we got to select the format in which we want. Then we can click download and it will download. And there we go. It says downloading audit logs in progress. All right. Download audit logs complete. So that's how we export the audit logs, download in our local, and we can make use of Sentinel as well for the security monitoring as well. So that's what goes for audit logs. Thank you so much. Let's meet in our next lecture.